Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can book a hotel in Agoda without a credit card in 2024. Keep in mind that you will push the payment until kind of the last days of your booking, but you will not be able to pay like cash without a credit card. So you'll have to pay with credit card, but you will not pay once you're just booked. It might be challenging, but you might even find some exceptions for some hotels if you can tag them. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you're using. Here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever suits you. Once you open that browser, go to this URL section. Here, make sure to go and type agoda.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on the home screen, the main screen. If it's your first time, you'll find yourself on kind of the same page, but you'll find, as you can see at the top right corner, sign in option if you have an account. Click on it and make sure to sign in into your account. And if you don't have an account, click on create an account instead. Make sure to create your account. You can use Google, Facebook, and Apple if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of filling up your informations to log in and even to create your account. So make sure to use it, of course, if you want to create an account or log in into your account. Once you logged into your account or just created your account, you'll find yourself right here. As you can see, you'll have just the VIP bronze. So if you get like 2 bookings, you'll get silver, 5 bookings, you'll get gold, and 10 bookings, you'll get platinum. And of course, you'll be able even to list your place if you want to earn some money. And you can even, with the money earned, before getting it out from the app or from the browser. Of course, they have even an app on phone if you want to see it and try it out, or use it on your phone. You can, of course, the money that you get from your listings, example, you'll be able to use it to book your hotel. That's a way, as an example, if you don't want to use it or if you don't want to use your credit card. But as you can see, to list, you'll need to add a photo, upload your profile photo, and then add and verify a phone number. Once you do so, you'll be verified and you'll be able to start listing. Of course, you'll get top hosts as an example, as you can see, who have provided the best service and care to Agoda home guests. As an example, you'll need to have a lot of good ratings so you can get a become a top host. So as we said, if you want to first of all like book a hotel on Agoda without credit card, you'll be able to do it in 2 ways. First of all, as example, let's say I'll just go here to my bookings. I'll just go here to the home screen because I have no books here. As an example, let's say I'm gonna look for a hotel and I don't know, let's just go and look for Madrid as an example, Madrid, Spain. And the days I'll just go and do maybe from as example, what should we choose? So maybe from this date to this date. Of course, if you want to change it, you'll be able to change it whenever you want. Example, you just click on it, you'll be able to change it however you want. Let's say, example, I'll just look for the cheapest price. Maybe as example, from 12 to 14. Those have the cheapest prices here. You'll have to choose how many rooms do you want. As example, if you're 2 people, you'll be able to choose 2 rooms. If you want 2 separated rooms, if you want, just choose 1. If you have any children, add it, and you'll have to add the age of each of those children. For me, I'll just do 1 room, 1 adult, and here I'll just go and click on search. Of course, if you don't want a hotel or home, you can go and do private stays or long day stays or even some airport transfer. So for me, I'll just go here and click on search for hotels. An example, we'll have to look for the hotel that we want depending on the price. And as you can see, some of them are popular. As you can see, last book here 6 hours ago, this one 2 hours ago. As example, so just go and look for the one that suits you depending on the rating. Depending, of course, make sure that they have like some rooms left. This one, example, has 1 left. And they have, seems like the best price. So, as example, let's say I want to choose this one. So I'll just go and click on it. As you can see, you'll have access to all the photos of the hotel. So everything about it, as you can see, you'll be able to look for it. You can even see the available rooms. So yeah, if you don't want to pay with your credit card, example now, you'll be able to do it if you just add maybe like $9. As you can see, you'll be able to pay until May 9th. And so you'll have to reconsider this example. If you're trying to as an example, refund or something. As you can see, non-refundable for this one. This one you'll be able to cancel before the day you're going. So, but you'll have to pay more. So, depending on whatever suits you. As we said, we would like to buy with no credit card, as an example. So you'll be able to do it if you have already like money in your Agoda, as an example. So if you click here, as you can see, Agoda cash. So for me, I have no cash in here, zero. So we'll have to earn some. So click on start earning, an example, and you'll be able to start earning with being an affiliate or with simply listing things and you'll get money. Once you get money, you'll be able to buy or to book without a credit card. Other than that, you'll not be able to. So, example, let's say we want to book this one. It has two breakfasts, free breakfast for two people, free Wi-Fi, extra low price, but non-refundable. So if you want to refund it, or if you're not sure if you want to book here, make sure to reconsider this. As you can see, non-smoking, it has a shower, the room size you'll find it here, and even a queen bed, which is a big bed. So as example, I'll just go here and click on book now. So once you do so, once you click on book now, as an example, you'll be able to find here, of course, they hold in price for you for 5 minutes. So make sure if you need more time, click on it here. As you can see, they give you more 5 minutes. So it's 10 minutes in total. Here you'll find their contact details. You can edit them. You can make this booking for someone else and enter their information. For me, I'm not gonna do it. Other than that, as you can see, room upgrade deal. So breakfast like included. It's already added for free. So if you have some special request like no smoking and I would like a big bed, you'll be able to do it. And here, then click on last step. Of course, as you can see here, our last room for your dates at this price. So I'll just go and click on next. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to pay without credit card with digital payments if you want to pay with Afterpay or PayPal. As you can see, two things that you'll be able to pay with if you don't want to pay with your credit card. Other than that, as example, you'll be able, if you have, as example, like some money in your Agoda Cash, you'll find another option added here, so you'll be able to pay with that. So choose whatever suits you. Click on Book Now. If you choose PayPal, you'll have to click on PayPal as example, so you'll have to connect your PayPal account and pay with that as example. So you'll have to wait until this loads, and you'll have to connect into your account, and basically you will be good to go. So, and if you even if you wanna pay with your credit card, you can simply just go back here and click on it, and you will be able to do it without any problems. You can see, depending on whatever you have, like a Visa, Discover, Diners, or Union Pay. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, of course, this video. I hope you like it, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.